Assalamu alaikum, my name is Anas. That's the villa from outside.
Salam alaikum.
Now we are in a different side. I'm in the office. It feels amazing to see our vision becoming reality.
Assalamu alaikum guys, just finished Jumha. Going to one of our apartments we've had. It's a long-term rental. One of our tenants leave, so just gonna go do some checks, see how it is. But yeah, we've got Ernest today. He's going to give you guys a checkup on Morocco, see how it is, see how the office, how Oliver Palm Villa, and how... I have something else? I feel like we got 3. Oh yeah, and the survey. Oh yeah, this survey checkup is really important. It looks at the components of the property that's one of our flats. We've got one there. But just checking on the components of the property that we can't see. That could do with the wiring, the heated swimming pool. It looks at the electricity output. It looks at the hinges on all of the windows, on the doors. It literally checks the ampage of every wire and it tells us if there are any leaks. This is one of the biggest mistakes we made when we first got started, which was a little over 10 years now, is that we were going for subletting villa units and even purchasing as well. And then you get the unit and you get really big problems to do with the wiring and the heating, and it costs a lot, and especially with leaks with air cons, and got to destroy walls, and then even more importantly you stop taking on short-term tenants, which stops revenue, and you lose a lot of money. So all of our students, we have internal teams that help with all of this. So yeah, you're going to see a day in a life with Ernest where you'll be able to see these checks, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Anas, operation manager at Moroccan Brothers. It seems that Usama and Jamal are in UK on business this week. So today I'm showing you the progress that we've made on this villa, and later we're gonna see the office inshallah. It's a beautiful sunny day. Even though it's November, Marrakesh doesn't care. It's still 13 degrees outside. You can swim, go for a walk, enjoy a cup of coffee. Meanwhile, people are freezing in Europe, dealing with rain, gray skies. Here it's a completely different world, warm, sunny and full of life. Enough talking about the weather, and let's go inside and check the progress. That's the villa from outside. Assalamu alaikum. They added this wall here. The kitchen is almost ready. They installed toilets here. They painted all of it. Do you feel this hole here? Let's check upstairs.
السلام عليكم. خير لاباس؟
شو زين؟
خذ راحتك الصور.
كتجي لي قلت لي
هنا فين كاين هنا على حساب هذاك فين لا تيهضر على الميديتي، فين كاين الميديتي
صح
اللي كاين تحت فين كاين دايز الماء. ادخل عند الدراري لداخل.
هيا صافي خذ راحتك. صافي. They added this one. They just added yesterday. So they added an aero barrier in that room. They installed floor tiles. They filled 2 holes. They painted the wall. They built that wall there, and they also repaired the plaster here. Now we are in a different site, exactly in Amelkis, with a beautiful villa. Let's go inside and let's check Laura and the team. Must be upstairs.
Raccordement de quoi?
PVC.
Bah, on sait pas trop.
Déjà notre PVC.
Oh, it's PVC. Hello again. I'm in the office. The workers just left, so I'm going to show you around. Electricity installation is finally finished, which means we are on a step close to making this space fully functional, and a TV will be set up over there, perfect for quick breaks or presentations. Tomorrow the painter will start giving the walls a fresh coat, bringing life and color to the space. Once that's done, the storage cabinet will be installed, followed by the placement of TV and desks, inshallah. Everything will come together beautifully. That's the main door. Here we have the bedroom. The office is starting to take shape, and it feels amazing to see our vision becoming reality. Stay tuned for more updates as we bring this workspace to life.